So I'm out here fueling up. We're about to go check out the Perseid Meteor shower this year. We're driving all the way out to Mount Pinos to get some dark skies, and we're fighting with the moon over there because we need this thing to get out of here before we can actually see the meteor shower. So hopefully our 1 hour drive, that thing's gonna be out of the sky and we are gonna get a clear shot at checking out some meteors. All right.
I didn't know you were with him.
Yeah, I know, I'm with him.
Oh, all
Yeah,
right, okay.
no, it's okay.
Okay,
You got some water, you got some Takis, hell yeah.
Anything
You have
else?
I don't know. Let me see. Can I look around?
All right, we'll check it out.
You like Taki, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna get some soda, and I want to get.
Where you guys from?
From India.
India? Yeah, no, I know that, but you guys are
I am from San Jose. He's
San
from
Jose.
here.
Oh.
Yeah, I live down the block.
Oh, okay, so you're my neighbor.
Yeah.
Yeah, I live right here too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 35
Okay,
years.
can I get these two
All right.
and this guy?
Is it gonna be debit so I can take care of you over here? Because
Sure.
this one is busted.
Oh yeah, it's debit.
Okay, you got it. Anything else for you guys? No gas, no nothing?
Oh, I already got gas.
Already here. Can you come and do it here yourself?
Yep, sure. Oh, very nice.
Alright, that's me if you want cash. Back.
Just appreciate the little things I do. Oh, you're the one who's got me.
Great.
You got it.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome. You have a good night. Here's your receipt.
Thanks.
Okay, see you.
Have a good one.
Okay, you too, dear.
Thanks. So we're finally here. We're at the top of Mount Pinos. It's really dark here, and it looks really promising. We've got a nice little spot. You can see the moon is just about set in the distance there. So we're gonna get out of the car. We're gonna set up the camera gear, and we'll start shooting.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows? Only time. We gotta
So we just got home. The sun has already come up. That was a wonderful adventure. Thanks for joining me today on Wholesome Circuits. And if you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to subscribe and I'll join you on the next one. Thanks.